Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, July 26, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hi, David. I'm doing okay. How about you?
Not too bad, just need this coffee to kick in. Got a busy day ahead.
Same here. I've got a long meeting in an hour.
Oh, meetings my favorite? Aha, just kidding.
I know, right? They take so much time.
Yeah, but hey, at least we get this coffee break, best part of the day.
For sure. It's nice to relax for a few minutes.
Totally. Hey, did you hear about that new trade deal with Japan?
Yes. I saw it in the news. The US and Japan are making a big agreement.
Exactly. I think it's worth like $550 billion or something crazy.
That's huge. It could mean better prices for a lot of things.
Yeah, I'm hoping it helps my sales, more products to push.
It might help my projects too. Cheaper materials could save us money.
That's the dream, right? More money in our pockets.
Let's hope it works out. These deals can take time to show results.
True, but I'm crossing my fingers. I want to see some wins soon.
Me too. It could be good for the whole economy.
For sure. If it means less stress for us, I'm all for it.
Same here. Every little bit helps in this job.
No kidding. Hey, speaking of help, did you see that new tech app for work?
No, what's that? I'm always looking for good tools.
It's some new productivity app. Helps you organize tasks and stuff.
Oh, that sounds useful. I struggle with keeping track of deadlines.
Me too. I forget half my client calls without a reminder.
I'll definitely check it out. Good tech can save so much time.
Yeah, I'm all for anything that makes my day easier. Less time staring at my computer?
I feel the same. It's nice to have something that keeps us on track.
Totally. I just hope it's not too hard to use. I'm not great with tech.
I'm sure it's simple. Most apps are easy these days.
Good point. I'll give it a try if you say it's worth it.
I'll look it up later. I'll let you know what I think.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver. I'm always behind on stuff like this.
No problem. We help each other out here.
For sure. Oh, and did you hear about that big charity event?
No, what's going on? Tell me more.
Some famous celebrity is doing a fundraiser for schools. They're raising money for education.
That's really nice. Education needs all the support it can get.
Yeah, it's awesome. Maybe my kids will get better books or supplies.
I hope so. It's great when famous people use their power for good.
Right? Makes me feel a bit better about the world sometimes.
It does. Small actions can make a big difference for kids.
Totally. I might even watch it on TV if they show it.
Same here. I like seeing events like that with my family.
Yeah. It's a nice change from all the bad news. Something positive.
Exactly. We need more stories like this.
For sure. Hey, I'm glad we get to chat like this every morning.
Me too, David. It's a good way to start the day.
Yeah. Speaking of the day, I've got 3 clients waiting for me. Gotta make those calls soon.
I get it. I've got 2 reports to finish before lunch.
Ouch, sounds like a lot. Good luck with that.
Thanks, you two. Keep those sales numbers up.
Will do. Hey, let's talk more tomorrow, okay?
For sure, same time at the coffee machine.
Perfect. See you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too, David. Take care.
Hey, before I go, did you try the new coffee blend here?
Not yet. Is it any good?
It's okay, a bit strong though. Wakes you up real fast.
I'll give it a try then. I need all the energy I can get.
Huh, don't we all? Work just keeps piling up.
So true. It's always one task after another.
Yeah, but hey, that trade deal might make things easier for me. More stuff to sell.
It could help my projects too. Better prices mean happier clients.
Exactly, a win for both of us. Fingers crossed it happens quick.
Let's hope. These things can take a while though.
True, but I'm not patient. I want results now.
I understand. Patience is hard in our line of work.
No kidding. Hey, back to that app. Do you think it's free?
I'm not sure. Most good ones cost a little.
Ugh, I hate paying for apps. But if it helps, maybe it's worth it.
Yeah, saving time is worth a few dollars. I'll check the price later.
Cool, let me know. I'm terrible at finding stuff online.
No worries. I'll send you the name. It's easy to share.
Thanks, you're the best. Saves me a big headache.
Anytime we're a team here, right?
Right. I'll win that charity event. I think it's happening soon.
Really? I might watch it with my family if it's on.
Yeah, do it. It's nice to see celebs helping out like that.
It is. Makes you think about giving back too.
True. Maybe I'll donate a little, if I have some extra cash.
Every bit helps. It's a good cause for sure.
Totally. Hey, how's your week been so far?
Pretty busy, lots of emails. How about yours?
Same nonstop calls. I'm tired already.
I feel you. Coffee helps though.
Huh? Coffee is my best friend. Can't work without it.
Same here. It's the only way to survive long days.
For sure. Hey, do you think that trade deal will change much for us?
Maybe in the long run. It could lower costs for everyone.
I hope so. Lower costs mean I can sell more stuff.
And I can plan better budgets. It's good for projects.
Yeah. Let's keep an eye on it. Could be a game changer.
Agreed. I'll read more about it later.
Cool. Tell me if you find anything interesting. I'm curious.
Will do. It's important to stay updated.
Totally. Hey, about that app, does it work on all phones?
I think so. Most apps do these days.
Good, 'cause my phone is old. I don't want to buy a new one.
I get it. Old phones still work fine.
Yeah, as long as it calls and texts, I'm happy. No fancy stuff.
Fair enough. I'll check if the app needs anything special.
Thanks, appreciate it. You're better at tech than me.
No problem. It's easy to figure out.
Cool. Oh, and that charity thing, do you think it'll raise a lot?
I hope so. Education needs big funding.
Yeah, every dollar counts. Kids deserve good schools.
They do. It's nice to see people care.
For sure. Makes me want to help out too.
Same here. Maybe we can do something small.
Good idea. Let's think about it.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
Hey, I've really got to head to my desk now.
Me too. My inbox is waiting for me.
Haha, mine too. Never a quiet moment.
Never. Let's catch up again soon.
Deal. Same spot tomorrow. Don't be late.
I won't. Have a great day, David.
You too, Alex. See you later.
Bye. Take it easy.
Always do. Talk soon.
Sounds good. Good luck with those calls.
Thanks, I'll need it. See ya.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.